At RE/MAX DFW Associates, you'll find a wide selection of listings. This video is brought to you by your real estate agent, Jeff, and it comes courtesy of this sponsor. And it's located in this area. This home is a great choice for those looking for comfort, convenience, and the privacy of their own home. Currently listed at just under $280,000. With a median list price of just over $350,000 and a median sale price of just under $325,000. If you're thinking about getting a mortgage for this property, you could be looking at these options with regards to current interest rates and monthly payments. This property was built in 1983 and features over 1,700 square feet of space, giving you a spacious layout to play host or kick back and relax after a long day. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 2 full bathrooms. But let's talk about what really makes this property stand out. Parents will be happy to know that it's located near several schools. This home also features some other great amenities, like a fireplace for keeping you warm and cozy on cold winter nights, a vaulted ceiling for an elegant look that gives you a feeling of greater space, and a garden, a great way to beautify and add some nature to your yard. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. On behalf of this video's sponsor, thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, click on screen to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends. We look forward to hearing from you.